Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to be talking about these four CAD programs that I have: Fusion 360, SolidWorks, MOI, and Plasticity. Okay, so let's go ahead and get started. Also, I'm talking about if I'm going to change from Fusion 360 or not. So let's go ahead and get started here. Okay, first of all, I'm going to talk a little about this Fusion 360. If you want to learn how to use Fusion 360, I advise you to go over to a site here on YouTube called Product Design Online and take their 30-day Learn Fusion 360 in 30 days. He has a course there on YouTube here, and it's all free. Just watch each video here on YouTube, and it's very good. And he gives you'll go from beginner to intermediate really fast. So go ahead and watch that. But anyway, Fusion 360 is a parametric modeling program, and things here are, to me, they're easy to do. It doesn't take long to learn Fusion, in my opinion, but yeah. But anyway, let's go over a few little features here that I use a lot. First thing is inserting a image. This is how I insert an image in Fusion 360. Click, insert, then canvas, and then a picture from my computer, and then I will just select the picture and open that. And then I just select which plane I like to place that picture on. Let's say if I wanted the side view there. And then I just drag this out and click OK. And it's that easy to insert a image into Fusion 360, just like that. Excuse me. Now, when it comes to like actual modeling, let's say, come up here, create sketch on this plane here, and let's say I wanted to draw a circle here. I'll just use a center circle here, drag this out, right click and click OK. Let me turn the sketches off here. Or excuse me, the canvas. All right, now we have that there. And navigating around here to move this, you use this cube up here for that. Now I want to extrude this. I hit the letter E, extrude, and I can extrude this. That simple. And click OK. And we have that. Now let's take a look at doing the same thing in SolidWorks and see how that goes. So switch over here to SolidWorks. Let me start a new. All right. Now let's say if I want to bring in an image here in SolidWorks. Here, first I must select the plane I want to insert it on. And I want to on the front plane here. Once you've done that, then you come over here to Tools, come down here to Sketch Tools, and come over here to Sketch Picture. Then select the image you want to put on here. Let's say this, and then Open. All right. There we go. Now, to scale a picture in SolidWorks, let's say I want the fuselage here to be 2 meters long. This line here is what I use. You use to do that. You move this line up to here, and drag this back. And here, box pops open, and I change this to 2,000 millimeters. And then click check mark. Now that is scaled to 2 meters right there, and that's how you do that here. Now, And go ahead and click OK over here. Let's say I want to draw on this plane again, the front plane. Click circle and drag this out. And let's do another circle. Right click and click select. Now, if I want to extrude this, you come over here to features and click extrude. And this is what I want to extrude. Then I pull this out. And then click OK. And that's how you extrude in Solidworks and insert the image also. Now let's have a look at plasticity. Now out of all these CAD programs, this is the newest one, plasticity. And it's not a parametric modeling, it's just a direct modeler. And if you don't need like CAM and all the other stuff, then this is a very, very good program. So let's say when you open it up, this is what it'll look like. And this box will be here. Now I'm going to get rid of this box. Now to get rid of this box, you come up here and I want to select a body and I want to select this box and just click delete. Now to bring in an image, you come over here, import, opens up this, select an image, and click open. And now you have your image here. Now scaling this can be, it's not hard, it's just different to scale this. Before scaling this, what I should have done was just drawn a line. And so to draw a line, you just come up here to this, and then you draw your line where you want it. But anyway, I would have drawn a line, say a 2-meter line, and right click. Now we have our line here. But anyway, if I had done that first, then I would have scaled this, the front to the back, to this line here. And that's how you would scale something in this plasticity. So let's do this again, and I'll show you exactly. Well, before I do that, let's go extrude and a few other things. So let's say we want to set a circle here. Click this, center circle, drag this out. Now, the good thing about this program is the extrude and other features. So what I want to do here, select the face. Now I can select this face, and as you notice, extrude pops up here already. So I don't let's see here. Here we go. Now it's too long. Let me. Okay. Here we go. And as you can see, now I'm just extruding this. And once that's done, just click OK. And we have our extrude. Now, if I came over here to select an edge, select this edge, as you can see, fillet opens up. Then use a fillet. And it's just that simple to to do that with this. And now if the fillet did not pop up and you want it to find where that fillet was, you just come over here and you can type in fillet here. And there it is. And you can use B also for it. Shortcut key. Okay. Now, let's start something new again. Okay, this cube is here again. Now to get rid of this cube, we'll just delete it. And I want to be on this view here. Click this. Now, what I'm going to do now is draw a line. Tab this, and I want this to be 2 meters. So just type in 2. Left click to accept it. Now this line is 2 meters long. Now it'll come up here. Oops, wrong one. Come up here to import. T37, open. Now, what I want to do here is move this back. So letter G for move. And this is how I move it. But let me click OK, and I'm going to use scale, which is S. Then I'm going to move this in. Try to match this to this line here. And once I've done that, then I click OK. And I want to move this, so letter G again. Then I move this up. And this is still a little short, then I just go back to scale again, the letter S, and make this a little longer. So we have S. And click OK. Then letter G for move. And that looks about right there. And click OK. And now that is scale. Like I said, that's a little, it's not hard. It's just a few more steps that you have to do versus Solidworks and Fusion 360, but it's still not hard to do at all. Okay, so let's take a look at another program here called MOI. We have this when we open it up. Actually, when you open it up, you'll have a this split view here. Well, you have the top view, a 3D view, a right view, and a front view. Now, to insert an image here, let's say I want the image on the right view. Just come over here to right. Just click on the right. Now I'm in the right view. Then I'll come over here to view over here, and I'll click on image. Then I want to add an image. Then I find whatever image I want, click on it, open it. Then, wherever I want to start it, just click that and pull it out. And click done. And there we have that. And scaling this is the, you'll do this the exact same way that you did in Plasticity. But, yeah, so, well, drawing a, let's do a little drawing here too. So let's take a circle again and start here, draw it out. And come over here to extrude. We want to extrude this. Let me go to 3D view. This is what we want to extrude. So we click on it and come over here to done and click done. And now you can see we can extrude that to where we want to. And that's how you extrude here. So let me go back to Fusion. Okay. Now, I will not be changing any CAD software. I'll always be modeling here in Fusion 360 and showing you guys how to model jets and airplanes in Fusion 360. But I decided to go ahead and start to show people how to model in other CAD softwares too. So let's say if I show you guys let's say if I show you how to model a, I don't know, a F-22, I'm going to show you how to model it first in Fusion, and then I'll show you how to model that in SolidWorks and MOI and Plasticity next after that. So no, I won't be abandoning Fusion 360 at all. I particularly like Fusion 360, and out of all these programs, I don't feel any one is harder to use than the other. They're just all different. I don't feel anyone is better than the other either. They're just all different. So if you learn how to use one of them, then it makes learning the others easier. So yeah, I just learned in the beginning, I just learned how to use Fusion. If Fusion 360, if you need parametric modeling, but if you're just an artist and you want to draw stuff or model stuff, then I would recommend Plasticity or MOI, because you don't need to use all the CAM and the what is it? I forgot the parametric driven geometry and everything like that. You don't really need to use that, and if you don't, then I would suggest using one of the either CAD or, excuse me, not CAD, but Plasticity or MOI. But anyway, like I said, again, I will not be switching programs. Like I said, I'm going to continue to show you guys how to model in Fusion 360, and I'm just going to add a few other programs and show you how to model them in other programs as well as Fusion 360. So yeah, but anyway, if you want to learn one, again, I would just go with, right now, I would just go with Fusion 360. That being like forms, let's say like here, create form. SolidWorks does not have this. MOI does not have it either. Or Plasticity doesn't have it either, where, you know, I can come up here and select a cylinder on this plane here, like this, and click OK. Then, let's see, then I can squeeze and pull and all kinds of things with this, like this. So as you can see, that's really nice to do that. Makes modeling a lot easier too. So yeah, I would, if you're just wanting to learn one, I would go with the Fusion 360 if that's what you want to do, parametric modeling. But if you're an artist, then I would look at Plasticity. And SolidWorks, it's a very good program too, and it's parametric driven. And but like I said, the only thing is that it doesn't have the forms like this, like Fusion does. So depends on what you want to learn. But anyway, that's going to wrap up this video for you guys, and I just wanted to let you guys know that I'll just be incorporating some other CAD software to teach you guys how to model in those as well as Fusion 360. And like I said, when I come out with new model to airplane to model, I will do it in Fusion 360 first. Then I will show the other programs, how to model it in the other programs. So yeah, so if you're new to the channel here, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. If you like this video, go ahead and hit that like button. And if you have any questions or anything, just leave them down in the comments. And also, I invite you to join my Patreon site and my Facebook group called CAD Build Fly RC. Both are by that name, CAD Build Fly RC. And that's going to do it. And I hope you guys have a great week, and we'll catch you in the next video.
Subscribe for more.